going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Dark Place by juice-wrld. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll pour laxative in your Starbucks. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new guitar, so if you want to find out how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning. I'm going to show you the main riff that plays throughout the song, and I'm going to link to the original video where juice-wrld got this sample from, because it is from an old guitar video that was posted years ago on YouTube. You can see him play the entire guitar song there if you want to find out more precisely what all the notes that are be playing throughout the song. Like I said, I'm going to play you the main riff, and I have the guitar tab for this in the video description. So if you need that, once you get done with the video, jump into the video description. The guitar tab is there for you. So we're going to start with our ring finger on the 7th fret of the A string and our index finger on the 5th fret of the D string. And then you will be putting your pinky on the 7th fret of the G string. But first you're going to pick A, D, open G, then put that pinky on the 7th fret, take it off, pick D again, A, D. And you're going to be picking all the rest of the chords the same exact way. So again, A, D, G, 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 D, A, D. Now slide that down to 5th fret on A, 4th fret on D, and you're going to be picking the same exact way. And put that pinky back on the 7th fret of the G. Then slide it down to 3 and 2 on the A and the D string. Now your pinky's going to the 5th fret on the G string. Then you're going to go 2 on A, nothing on D. And you're going to pick A, D, G, G on 2, G, D, A, D. And then that just repeats. So again, starting from the top, all together slowly. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.